Hello, I just wanted to show you a beginner-friendly gift idea for the holidays that you can do with Dollar Tree dish towels and pot holders. It's very quick and easy. All you need is your sewing machine, a little thread, and a button. You need a button for each towel that you do. And let's get started. As you can see, I'm showing you two different towels that I did. One with a lot of gathers and one that is straight. So today I'm going to demonstrate with the other one. I got two towels for each towel that you see. The first towel we're going to do is the black and white. The first thing I did was I removed the tag that was already on the pot holder. Then you want to take your towel and you don't have to unfold it. You just need to fold it where the width of your pot holder and your towel are the same width. So right now I'm going to do that with this one, and then I'm going to flip it over. Once you fold it and you fold each side in, you want to flip it over to the right side. Then you want to mark your center. Now the pot holder, you're not marking directly in the center. What I'm doing is I'm folding it over where the top and the bottom of the pot holder meet. So the loop at the top will still be extended above the fold once you fold them together. Once you find your center, you want to mark it. And then you're going to pin the pot holder in place, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen next.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance,
I used a sliver of soap to mark the line on my pot holder. I'm going to go and take this to the sewing machine and stitch across where I had that line drawn. So now I am going to remove the pins and fold this in half. The loop that I told you to leave extended at the top, you're folding it down to see where you're going to place your button that you're going to sew on. So the loop is going to act like your closure. That way you can hang the towel wherever you like. By doing this, you're creating a custom gift that you can give to anyone. One great way to take it a step further is you can get your embroidery machine or hand embroider initials on here or a design on here, as well as if you have a Cricut or a silhouette, you could use iron on vinyl to embellish this as well to make it a more personalized gift.
feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Now with our second set of towels, we're going to have a gathered look on this one, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So stay tuned. Again, these are dollar store towels that we're using along with the pot holders. These pot holders do come two for $1.25, and the towels are priced individually, $1.25 per towel. I chose this set because I love this pattern. I thought this was awesome. Not realizing that I was going to need the solid side just to cut down on some of the pattern. but you'll see how it turns out in just a moment.
Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
So with this towel, you need to turn it over and you need to spread the towel out. We're not going to fold it, we're going to spread it out because we're going to take this towel and we're going down the center with 2 seams. To do this, you need to lengthen your stitch length on your sewing machine. So my machine goes all the way to 7. So you'll see that I turn my dial all the way to 7. But you could go to a 4 or a 5, whatever your machine has. Now that we've sewn the basting stitch down the middle, you should have 2 on side by side. What I'm going to do is each stitch, I don't think I told you this, but what you should do is when beginning the stitch, make sure your bobbin thread as well as your top thread are pulled to a nice length, because you need that length when you get finished. And when you finish sewing, don't cut it off. If you have an automatic cutter on your sewing machine, don't do that. You need some more thread to extend out as well on the other side. And make sure you cut at least about 4 or 5 inches. Once you do this, what I'm doing now is I'm taking the bottom 2 threads on each side and putting them in a knot just so they'll be out of my way. Once I do this, then you can see that you can use your top 2 threads on both sides of the towel to gather your towel and put the gathers in. Once you have your towel gathered, what you want to do is the same that we did with the first set of towels. At this point, you want to make sure that your towel is the same width as your pot holder. So you can pull the gathers out or you can pull your strings and tighten them some. It depends on where you are with putting your gathers in. Once you get the correct length, what I did was I just tied mine off, and we're going to do the same method we did for the first one. We're going to find the center line and we're going to pin those 2 together, and this is going to be sewn together as well as a button put at the top, and you'll see how different the 2 sets of towels look at the end.
All inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
I'd like to take the time to thank you for watching my video. I hope that you're enjoying the content. If you could you please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I really love to have you, and I hope to see you again soon.